Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup and skincare on my channel. Today I am making a get ready with me kind of a video. I have just waken up in the morning, hence please excuse my swollen face. At first I am applying pack makeup moisture lotion and massaging it into my skin. Next, I am hydrating my lips using Sugar Lip Balm, and for the last step of skincare, I am using Dot and Key sunscreen on my face. Next, I am using NYX Angel Veil primer to minimize my pores and pushing it into my skin. On a palette, I am taking Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Define Foundation. A single pump of this is more than enough for my face. Next, I am dotting it on my face using my finger and using a buffer brush, I am buffing and blending it. Don't forget your neck and ears while blending the foundation. Next, I am mixing a darker color of foundation with the leftover foundation and using it as my cream contour. Mixing a dark color with my actual skin tone will give a very natural contour color, which will accentuate my facial features but will not be very harsh and obvious. I am contouring my jawline, cheekbones, forehead and nose. While blending your cheekbone contour, blend it upwards and into your hairline. And while blending your jawline contour, blend it downwards in the neck. Then once again using my foundation brush which has some leftover foundation in it, I am using this to make the blending seamless. I am dabbing my damp beauty blender to pick up any excess product and blend the streak marks if there is any. From my Makeup Revolution Flawless Allure palette, I am using the Karishma shade as my transition color. Transition color is the color that blends all other eyeshadows into your skin tone. Hence choose a few shades darker than your skin tone as your transition color. Next, I am using J Adore to deepen up the crease. You should choose your crease color such that it is a few shades darker than the transition color. And I am pushing that towards my temple using a tapered yet fluffy crease blending brush. Next, using Risky in my outer corner for some depth, I am using a different brush to blend it towards the inner crease and extend the color towards my temple. This shape of eyeshadow complements my face to the most. To blend this shade, I am using J Adore once again. Next, I am using the shade Chemistry but not at its full intensity, just lightly dabbing it for some sheen. For concealing my under eyes, I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and blending it by tapping motion. Next, for highlighting, I am using L'Oreal Pro Longwear Concealer in 312 and once again blending it and then setting it using Fit Me Loose Powder. As the skin under eyes is very thin, I like to use very less amount of concealer and powder. This will not let your under eyes crease for a long time and hence baking is not necessary. you can just use a little bit of powder to set your under eyes. Next, using a very small blending brush, I am using the Karishma shade on my lower lash line to push my eye bag back into space. And then once again using the Risky shade, which is a brownish color, on my lower lash line to smoke it out a little bit. Next, I am using Color Bar liquid liner to draw a baby wing. If you find wing liners to be not easy, you can use a sticky tape and a gel liner to make it a bit easier for you. Then I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which is by far my favorite. And next, using Faces Canada Ultime Pro Kajal in ash brown. After applying a bit of lower lash line mascara, I am highlighting my forehead, nose, cupid's bow and chin using L'Oreal concealer, which I used earlier. Here also I am not using a lot of product. I am using very less concealer because I don't want a cake face. Next, I am setting my concealer with Fit Me Loose powder. I am emphasizing the cream contour using Etude House Face Color Shading Powder in number 02. This has a perfect grey undertone yet not very dark compared to other contour shades or bronzer shades. Hence, I like it for daytime looks. For blush, I am using Life is a Peach blush from L'Oreal Paris, and I am applying it high up my cheekbones to lift my face a little bit. For slight glow, I am using Sugar Highlighter from the Sugar Contour De-Force palette. As this is a daytime look, I am keeping the highlighter really mellow today. I am also using this highlighter on my inner corner and my brow bones. To lock my efforts so far, I am using NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray all over my face. Next, for lining my lips, I am using brown lip pencil from LA Colors lip pencil set. I am using NYX Peach Don't Kill My Vibe as my lipstick today, but it was not going with my eye look properly, hence I darkened it up using the same lip liner once again, as I did not have enough time to change it. Today we have come to Azad Hind Dhaba at Uluberia. This is so far my most favorite restaurant. The food quality varies sometimes, still you will get very fresh and good quality food here. The surrounding atmosphere adds to it. In winter, their garden is filled with roses and other colorful flowers. Today we have ordered chicken rasmi kebab as our starter. And this is the place where you can see our rasmi kebab is being made and will be served within a few minutes. This restaurant has their even own juice center. Now it is closed due to COVID-19, and they also have their pan center. You can also buy your favorite chocolate there. Their kebabs are really tender and juicy, and I think that this is the best kebab I have ever had. in my life. On main co- on main course, we ordered a tandoori roti, chicken butter masala, malai kofta, veg pulao, and for dessert we chose kesar pista flavored ice cream. So guys, this is how my makeup is looking after 3 to 4 hours and a heavy meal. If you like this video and you think that this video is helpful to you guys in any way, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching this video and bye till my next video.